What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jessy here. Myself, 3D Workbench, and Killonious have partnered up to do one heck of a contest over on Patreon where you can win a CR-10 3D printer. All you have to do to enter is be an active member on one of the three of our Patreons, as well as download, print, and finish one of either Killonious's files or 3D Workbench's files, and you could win a CR-10 3D printer. One runner-up will also win 4 rolls of Hatchbox PLA. There's a link to the full description of the contest as well as each of the Patreon sites down below. Unfortunately, this is limited to folks that already have a 3D printer, and you also need to make sure you're an active Patreon member between either myself, Killonious, or 3D Workbench. You have until February 12th to print, finish, and share your builds. We can't wait to see your prints.